Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss fourth question on expected value and variance. So this question on random variable, discrete random variable, says for x be a random variable, the values it can take is 1, 0, minus 1 with respective probability p x is equal to minus 1 equal to 0.2, p x equal to 0 is equal to 0.5 and p x is equal to 1 is 0.3. Find e of x, expected value, and variance of x. So this random variable, obviously, which is discrete, taking values like minus 1, 0 and 1 with the respective probability 0.2 for minus 1, 0.5 for 0 and 0.3 for 1. We need to find the expected value and variance. Let's see what is probability density table first. Probability density table. These are the values it will take: minus 1, 0 and 1. With density 0.2, 0.5 and 0.3. It is not required, but if we want we can make the distribution function also. This is 0.2, this is 0.2 and 0.5, 0.7 and 0.7 and 0.3 is 1. So this is the probability density table. This is the probability density table. Right? Now we need to find e of x and variance of x. So let's say e of x for discrete is sum of x and p of x. It is j for all j. Right? So this becomes, the first one is minus 1 into 0.2 plus 0 into 0.5 plus 1 into 0.3. Obviously there is no meaning of this, but still. So this is minus 0.2 and plus 0.3 equal to 0.1. Secondly, e of x square, that is sum of x square p of x j for all the possible values. Minus 1 square into 0.2 plus 0 square, which is have no meaning, plus 1 square into 0.3. So this becomes 0.2 plus 0.3, which is 0.5. So the variance, so this is your variance, equal to e of x square minus, this is 0.5 minus 0.1 square, which is 0.49. So this is one value they are expecting, this is mean, and this is another value they are expecting, this is sigma square. If you want standard deviation, this is sigma, that is 0.49 under root, which is 0.7, if they are asking for it.